In the world of virtual reality, comfort and immersion are king. That's where the two Pcs Headstrap for MetaQuest 2 headset comes into play, aiming to enhance your VR experience by providing a high-quality replacement for your original MetaQuest 2 head straps. Let's dive into what makes these head straps a potential game-changer for your virtual reality sessions. First off, compatibility is key. These head straps are designed specifically for the MetaQuest 2, ensuring a perfect fit. It's important to note that they're not suitable for other VR headsets, so MetaQuest 2 owners are the exclusive beneficiaries here. The fact that they work exactly like the original VR head strap is a huge plus. If your original headband is showing signs of wear or if you're simply looking for a refresh, these replacement straps promise to seamlessly take over, maintaining the original feel and fit of your headset. The construction of these head straps speaks volumes about their quality. Crafted from premium materials, they're not just a stopgap solution but a durable and practical upgrade. Anyone who's spent hours in VR can tell you how important the build quality of their gear is. A head strap that can withstand the rigors of extended use without compromising on comfort or stability is essential, and it seems these straps are up to the task. Now, let's talk about. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.